Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chef Kuku and today I'm showing you guys how I make an appetizer recipe called spicy mango chicken wings. As the name implies, it's spicy, meaning it's hot. It's a very tasty recipe, it's easy to make, and I love it because it's another way that I can get to have a fruit in my diet, which in this case is mango. So if you're new to the channel, welcome again. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the red button beneath the video. Now let's go ahead and watch how I make spicy mango chicken wings.
Feel free to cut down on your seasoning. You can actually do just half a teaspoon of all your herbs and spices, but I liked mine really spicy, so I kept it this way. You can use your hands to mix the spices together with the chicken. You don't have to use a spoon. As long as your hands are clean, you'll be fine. And remember that the chicken pieces are smaller because they're wings, so you don't have to marinate the chicken for that long. At least an hour and you'll be good to go. So while your chicken is marinating, you can start preparing your mango sauce, and just make sure that the mangoes you use are sweet mangoes because that will make a very big difference. If you know me by now, you know that I like onions, so I have to put onions in there, but you don't have to. The key ingredients are the mango, the pepper, and the garlic. And if you're wondering what kind of pepper I used Scotch bonnet peppers. In Nigeria, we call them atarodo. That's the Yoruba name. Blend it, and in a few seconds, it's ready. Try and give some space between all the chicken pieces. Now it's out. Next thing, you put your honey into your pan. You don't have to let your honey simmer or bubble like I did in the video. You can just throw in the mango puree straight in once you put the honey. And then you keep stirring it, stir. And after about 2 minutes, you can just put your wings into the sauce and mix it all together and throw it back in the oven. But I wanted an almost jelly-like consistency, so I cooked my sauce for about 5 more minutes. But that was just me doing something different. You can just stick with the normal, which would be cooking it for about 2 minutes. You can see it became really gluey and sticky. So it's at this point that I threw in my wings and stirred it in and threw it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes. Our wings are ready and they tasted really good, honestly. So I hope you make this recipe. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Kauna Kitchen, and share with your friends and family. So it's bye for now from me, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Take care!